Hey folks, welcome to the Homestead Fabricator Shop. You're probably wondering why this Vulcan welding cart is on its side. I'll tell you a good thing, a good story on that. There's one thing you do not want to do when you're transporting these. So I don't make a whole lot of noise. Put the foam strips. When I got it out of the box, scratch the snot out of that side as if I haven't done that already. What happened was I was beating the heck out of this drawer. It would only come out so far. The drawer would not come out. It was going bang, bang, bang. Something was catching in it. Why did it happen? Because I transported it laying on its back or front side. I can't remember which. It was in the box. What happened was this piece that normally sits nice and flat, gotta go this way. Oop, nope, this way. Gotta bend those tabs so these dividers so it fits down in there. Yeah, bend it back. What happened was this piece popped up. Somehow, it popped up and slid back in there somehow. I don't know. But it was keeping this from moving more than this far, and I'll show you how I finally got it to give. Let me go back to Harbor Freight. What I did was this dramatic recreation. Let it slide down real hard a couple times. Out the drawer came, the easy as could be. Somehow that got it to settle down in the drawer so I could pull it out. That's my quick tip of the day. I'm going to get on to assembling it.